Welcome to Taos, New Mexico, USA, also known as the place of the Red Willows. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Taos.
I was just a glitter back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Taos, New Mexico, USA. Population around 6,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Taos. Taos is 1.5 hours from Santa Fe and 2.5 hours from Albuquerque. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Taos. People love Taos because of Taos Pueblo. On the northern edge of Taos sits a UNESCO World Heritage Site and National Historic Landmark, Taos Pueblo. The Native American community has been continuously inhabited for more than 1,000 years and is comprised of stunning multi-storied adobe buildings set against a backdrop of forested and snow-capped peaks. People love Taos because of Taos Ski Valley. Just up the road, about 30 minutes from the town, is one of New Mexico's best ski resorts, Taos Ski Valley. This resort was relatively unknown for many years and the locals were happy to keep it that way. Well, it's hard to keep secret a place that regularly receives 25 feet of light, fluffy powder snow each year. People love Taos because of the Millicent Rogers Museum. Millicent Rogers was the granddaughter and heiress of one of the original founders of Standard Oil. Escaping what she felt was the drudgery of her East Coast existence, the socialite came to Taos and put her money into the Taos Art Colony, supporting both struggling artists and also many of the impoverished Native American children of the region. Originally opened in the 1950s, the museum initially boasted Rogers' impressive personal collection of Southwestern art. Today, galleries feature an extensive quality collection of Native American and Hispanic art, as well as Anglo-European works. People love Taos because of Kit Carson Museum. Just 100 yards east of the plaza is the house of the legendary and controversial pioneer Kit Carson. The home was built in the 1820s and purchased by Kit Carson in 1843. Carson raised his family here and the home served as one of the centers of life in Taos for decades. The museum is small but offers valuable insight into the history of Carson's life, the history of Taos, the settlement of the Southwest, and the varying regional cultures. People love Taos because of the Rio Grande Gorge and the Gorge Bridge. Northwest of Taos lies the 900-foot-deep Rio Grande Gorge. The river gorge is an impressive feature from a great volcanic plain over millions of years. Along U.S. Route 64, the gorge is spanned by a boldly engineered bridge that towers impossibly high above the river far below. The stunning views can be accessed from the parking and picnic area on the rim of the gorge. People love Taos because of Taos Plaza. Located right in the center of Taos, the historic plaza still serves as a center of cultural life in this little town. The plaza is not only an attraction for visitors, but a place where locals come and gather to host community events. During the summer, numerous musical events are held in the plaza. This is a top place to find good food, meet locals, and get a feeling for the town. People love Taos because of San Francisco de Assisi Mission Church. About 4 miles from the center of Taos, in the central plaza of the sibling town of Rancho de Taos, is the San Francisco de Assisi Mission Church. The church is purported to be the most photographed church in North America. It is also known as Mission Dolores. Construction began in 1772 at this adobe church, which is a fine example of Spanish colonial architecture in the area. People love Taos because of the Taos Art Museum. The museum has a collection of more than 600 works of art, including drawings, prints, and paintings, with a body of work concentrating on local artists. The museum is housed in the Fetchin House, which is an equally impressive work in its own right, having been designed by Russian artist Nikolai Fetchin. People love Taos because of the Hacienda de Los Martinez. On the banks of the Rio Pueblo in Taos is the Hacienda de Los Martinez, a fully restored Spanish colonial building from 1804. Strategically located at the terminus of the Camino Real, the Martinez home became an important trade center in the early 1800s. known throughout the region as a large and well-established cattle ranch run by a trusted family. People love Taos because of El Rio Grande del Norte National Monument. Looking north from Taos all the way to the Colorado border, pretty much everything you see is part of the vast El Rio Grande del Norte National Monument, which was established in 2013. The monument encompasses more than 250,000 acres of public land. Managed by the Bureau of Land Management, the monument covers a wide range of ecosystems from the rugged, wide-open grasslands and sage-dominated range to the alpine slopes of 10,000-foot Ute Mountain and the 900-foot depths of the Rio Grande Gorge. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Taos. If you've got a reason why you love Taos, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!